Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fast Tip Friday. In this video we're going to see how we can loop playback in Premiere Pro, and this can help you if you're doing some color grading or trying to tweak some audio. So let's head into Premiere Pro. Here I've got this project already open. The first thing we need to do is come down to this little plus button here on the toolbar. Just click that, and then you want to find this little icon here with a play button and like a square, and drag this down into the toolbar. So you can put this wherever you want. I'm just going to put it at the end and just hit OK. This button is the loop playback button. The next thing we want to do is set some in and out points. So on the timeline here, I'm just going to hit I to set an in point, and just for example's sake, hit O to set the out point there. Now if I play this back, nothing's going to change really. Once it gets to the end of this, it's going to keep playing along the timeline. To enable loop playback, you need to come to your button here and click it, and it turns blue. And now if we hit play, the section will play, and when it gets to the end here, notice how it skips back to the start. So this can be useful if you're doing color grading. For example, you can set your initial color grade and then turn on loop playback, hit play, and then modify the color grade settings, and you can see the change that it makes for a certain subset of the video. It's also handy if you're trying to tweak the audio. So let's come over to the audio workspace and once again click play. Once again, this is going to loop around this section of audio, and then we can make some changes and see how those changes affect the audio.